Hi, it's Steve here from SMC County Garage SEAT, and today I'm going to show you around a 2024 SEAT Arona, top of the range, Xperience Luxe Automatic. Now this car's just arrived with us in stock. It's finished in metallic black, which I think is one of its best colours. Matches with these lovely machined finished alloy wheels, and this one has the contrasting grey metallic roof. Now going inside, you've got these lovely micro suede and leather seats. Now the front two are heated, so with the weather that we've been experiencing recently, that is an absolute godsend. And you have a matching grey contrasting dashboard, so the black and grey car matched up with the grey dashboard and lovely black and grey seating. Space for 5, so you've got seats for 3 in the rear with Isofix on the 2 outside, and plenty of room when you are out and about. This also benefits from having a lovely big boot as well. Now the Arona benefits from having, as you can see here, a flush entry into the boot. So if you don't want to lift, you can leave the floor in that current position, or you can lift it up and pull it back. Do this one-handed, there you go. I can drop it down, and then it gains an extra few inches, which gives a lip on the boot, so anything that's moving around in the back won't fall out when you just open it. This is the only model that benefits from a reversing camera as well, so you have parking sensors on the front, the back and the sides, because if you want it to, don't laugh, this will also offer to park itself for you. Now that's something that I've used and demonstrated to loads of our customers, and it actually works really, really well. Now when you move up to the driver's seat, you've got a height adjustable seat, you've got what's called a digital dashboard, which also incorporates things like adaptive cruise control. Nice big centre armrest. Still have a handbrake on this, which is to a lot of people's acknowledgement that they like that. Dual zone climate control. As I say, you have heated front seats, and then this lovely big clear colour media screen. On the left hand side, you've got your indicators and the flash. On the right hand side are your rain sensing wipers, with buttons on the steering wheel to control the driving as you're going along. As you'd expect, this has electric windows all round and power folding and heated wing mirrors, and the last thing are these full LED headlights. Now this car has only covered 9,300 miles and is less than a year old, so if we can help further, if you want to talk about part exchanging your car or anything like that, please don't hesitate to get in touch.